Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how do I show an item is sold on OfferUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just sold an item in person. How do you actually go ahead and show that the item is sold so that no one else messages you after selling something? Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into OfferUp. Next, click on Inbox. And then next, click on the item or the message or conversation that you just sold. So you can click on the message here. And then we're going to take Zandria, for example. Now we want to go ahead and click on the item on the upper right hand corner. Click on Manage this item. And then click on Mark as sold. And then click on Mark as sold. Now, the other way you can do it is that if we go back to the beginning, we could actually go ahead and click on listings and then find the item that we just sold, which is this here, and then click on mark as sold, mark as sold. And with that, you could actually go ahead and indicate who bought it and then click on confirm. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and update your listing as sold on OfferUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.